Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on how to make money with ChatGPT by OpenAI. In this video, we will be exploring the many ways you can use the powerful language model developed by OpenAI to generate income online. But before we get started, it's important to understand that ChatGPT is a language model and not a direct money-making tool. However, its capabilities can be leveraged to generate income through a variety of online activities. One way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to create and sell high-quality written content. ChatGPT has the ability to generate articles, blog posts, social media updates, and more with a level of quality that is difficult for humans to match. If you have a talent for marketing and promoting your content, you can use ChatGPT to create a steady stream of shareable material that businesses and individuals will be willing to pay for. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate ideas for products or services. The language model can analyze market trends and consumer needs to come up with innovative concepts for products or services that could potentially be successful. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit and are always on the lookout for new business ideas, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for generating fresh, creative concepts. You can also use ChatGPT to create chatbots for businesses or individuals looking to automate their customer service or sales processes. Chatbots can be programmed to answer customer inquiries, make recommendations, and even handle simple transactions, freeing up valuable time for businesses to focus on other tasks. If you have experience with chatbot development, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for creating high-quality chatbots that provide excellent customer experiences. In addition to these specific use cases, ChatGPT can also be leveraged to perform a wide range of language-related tasks, such as content creation, language translation, and data analysis. If you have a specific skill set or expertise in a language-related field, you can use ChatGPT to augment your existing services and increase your income potential. Now, let's talk about how to actually get started with ChatGPT and start making money. The first step is to familiarize yourself with the tool and its capabilities. There are plenty of resources available online that can help you understand how ChatGPT works and what it is capable of. You can also experiment with the tool yourself by playing around with its various features and settings. Once you have a good understanding of ChatGPT and how it can be used to generate income, it's time to start putting it to work. This could involve finding clients or customers who are interested in your services, or it could involve creating and selling your own products or services using the ideas generated by ChatGPT. It's also important to be consistent and persistent in your efforts to make money with ChatGPT. Building a successful business or career using the tool will likely take time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, it is definitely possible. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can be used to generate income through a variety of online activities. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or chatbot developer, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for generating new ideas and streamlining your work processes. We hope this tutorial has provided you with a thorough understanding of how to make money with ChatGPT AI and given you some useful ideas on how to get started. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.